Hello everyone. Today I will discuss the details on the how to share file between two computers using LAN cable. First step देखते हैं. Connect both PC with LAN cable. Connect both computers to a LAN cable. You can use any LAN cable. It does not matter on a modern computers because both of them use the same port and have very few functional differences. Step 2. Enable network sharing on both PC. Now that you have physically connected both PC with a LAN cable, we have to turn on network sharing on both computers to exchange file between them. It is a simple process, step by step process. To enable sharing, go to Start menu and search Control Panel. Once you see it, click on it to open it. Then once the Control Panel window open, click on Network and Internet. In the next dialog box, open Network and Sharing Center. You can also type Control Panel. On the left hand side of Network and Sharing Center window, click on Change Advanced Sharing Setting. Here you will find three network: public, private and all network. Public network is for place like airport and coffee shop. Private network is for an organization or your home network, and all network comprise of both. Next, expand all network by clicking on the drop down icon. Here we need to enable public sharing so that the PC can access file from each other over the LAN cable. To avoid more configuration, just turn off password protected sharing. Once done, click Save Changes. Just as I said in the beginning, repeat the same step for the other PC. Here you can see the image, then click on Save Changes option. Step 3. Set up static IP. Now that you have enabled network sharing on both PC, it's time to bring both the network on the same network. We will do this by setting a static IP address of the same class. Just like the previous step, you need to do this on both PC. The following are the steps. First, to set up a static IP, open Control Panel, browse to Network and Internet and click on the Network Sharing Center. Alternative, you can also right click on the Start menu and select a network connection. Second, on the next window, you will see the active connection, which should be Ethernet, since both PC are connected with a physical LAN cable. Third, in the next pop-up, select Internet Protocol version 4. Now click on Properties. This will open another dialog box. Fourth, here you need to configure the two PC with different IP setting. On computer 1, select the option Use the following IP address and put the following value: IP address, subnet mask and default gateway. ठीक है? It's not necessary you use this IP address. You can use any IP address. On the second computer, do similar step but flip the IP address and default gateway value. What we are doing in keeping the subnet mask the same and changing the IP address. Next, open your window File Explorer and click on Network tab at the left side of the window. If you have set up everything right, both the PC should appear in this network window on both computers. Now you can just click on the other PC icon and browse the file. Step 4. Share a folder. Assuming that you have connected the cable properly, enable the sharing option and configure the IP address. Now it is time to send file from one PC to another. Next, select the folder you want to share and right click on it. From the context menu, navigate to give access to and select the option specific people. In this file sharing window, choose everyone from the drop down menu. Click on the add button next to it. Finally hit the share button. Once you have shared it, the next window will show you the network location of the folder. That's it. Just go back to the other PC from where you want to access the file. Open the network panel and click on the other computer name. Here you will see the folder you just shared. From there, just open the folder and transfer the file and folder as you normally do. By copy and paste, similarly you can repeat the same step from the other computer. Thank you for joining today's class.